So as you can see, I have some ring terminals. So this is for larger diameter wire. Of course, a large ring. This definitely won't work for the wire sizes that I have, but as you go to a larger size of wire, you can see these will work better, but not really for what we're doing. We're dealing with something more of a probably about a 16 gauge, maybe an 18 gauge wire. Blue is for about 14 to 16 gauge. This would definitely work. It doesn't pass all the way through. And then red is for even smaller, so this is maybe 18 to about 22. And this is kind of tight. It's not really going to fit. But then also, besides the wire sizes, you have the ring size. So you have something fairly large. This won't work. It's a little bit too big. You're not going to get good contact. This is way too big, so something larger. So this won't work. These little guys, they'll fit right on the stud. I like to have a little bit more surface area for contact, better conductivity. This is a good size of a ring. This is also good. You can use this. The nut will hold it on. It will make some contact, so you can see. This is just an old LW transformer. I'm not really running anything too new, but you can see it's maybe not perfect, but it would work. Let's see if we have, let's see on this red. So we'll make sure we twist this, tighten it down. So this won't fit. So for what I have is this ring terminal here. I'm going to use some crimpers. So this has the sizes. So 10 to 16 gauge, 18 to 22. So these are larger for the insulated and non-insulated. So I'm going to put this here and slide this in and crimp. So you can see this is a good crimp. Here, it's holding on. I do have a smaller size ring. Do this on the other one. So I'll put this in. Tighten this down. And crimp. So these are tight.